Hey guys, so this is my aircon. It's been quite a while since it has been cleaned. As you could see, it's been taking up a lot of dirt and probably mold. So I looked up stuff from the internet on what I could do, just like any sane person. Browsing through YouTube, unfortunately, there are no videos pertaining to the specific brand of my aircon or any video that accurately describes on what to do in this type of situation. It is mostly just this or this, which I'm not gonna lie, very satisfying to watch. Is it just me, or I could watch anything being pressure washed all day long? So let me sum it up for you guys. So most aircon cleaning videos contain the action of opening the compartment and blasting the aircon filter off with wet water or air. So let me just do a last check, guys. It did say here to just run it in lukewarm water, so without further ado, let's start cleaning the aircon. So the first step is taking this compartment off to get to the filter. Let me pry this open, guys. Look how dirty and grimy it is. Here's a close-up shot of the filter, and let's clean it up, guys. Here we are in my garage, ready to wash the filter up with the garden hose. It's not that special, but it should do its job. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I will upload an ASMR version of the cleaning. Video link is shown at the upper right corner of the screen or down below in my video description. I felt that there will be people who will appreciate just listening and watching of the cleaning process. Now it is time for the outer compartment of the aircon. Look at this guys, I can see my hand through the sieve more clearly. Look at that, all cleaned up. While those two are drying, let's go back to the aircon and clean its inner shell. As you guys can see, there is a lot of accumulated dirt around its flaps, most especially the corners. So let me try wiping it off with a damp cloth and see if it improves. I see that there is a lot of improvement compared to before. Let's put its filter and the compartment back together. Okay, and it's done. I've noticed that the air in the room is a lot colder than the last, and it looks a brand new, shiny white little aircon again. Unfortunately, for this episode of Trying Things Out, there are no tutorial videos to compare it to, unlike the first. So, yeah, that's the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and goodbye.